Can you use a portable camping refrigerator in a car? Have you ever wondered if you can bring the convenience of a refrigerator on your camping trips? Well, the answer is yes. You can absolutely use a portable camping refrigerator in your car. These handy devices are designed to operate on 12-volt direct current power, which is the standard power supplied by your car battery. This makes them perfect for keeping your food and drinks cold while you travel or camp. Portable camping refrigerators are compact units that keep your perishables fresh without needing ice. Unlike traditional coolers that rely on ice packs, these refrigerators use compressors or thermoelectric cooling systems powered by electricity. Most models plug directly into your car's cigarette lighter socket or a dedicated 12-volt power outlet, making them incredibly easy to use. When your car engine is running, the alternator charges the car battery, providing a steady power supply to the refrigerator. This means you can maintain a consistent temperature for your food and drinks throughout your journey. However, if you turn off the engine, the refrigerator will draw power from the battery alone. If you use it for too long without the engine running, you risk draining the battery. Using a portable refrigerator in your car is especially beneficial for camping trips in parks and campgrounds. It allows you to keep perishable items like fresh meat, dairy, and vegetables safe and fresh without relying on ice. This not only enhances food safety but also reduces waste during your outdoor adventures. Plus, having cold beverages and ready-to-eat meals can make your camping experience much more enjoyable. Energy efficiency is also an important factor to consider. Many portable camping refrigerators are designed to be energy efficient, helping to avoid excessive battery drain. It is wise to monitor your car battery's charge level or consider using a dual battery system or portable power station. This way, you can ensure the refrigerator does not deplete your vehicle's battery, especially when parked for long periods. Some models even come with built-in battery protection, features that automatically shut off the unit if the battery voltage drops too low. In summary, using a portable camping refrigerator in your car is practical and supported by their design. They run on your car's 12-volt power system, providing reliable cooling while driving or when the engine is running. This makes them ideal for camping and park outings, where keeping food fresh and drinks cold is essential. Just remember to manage power consumption to avoid battery drain when your vehicle is not running.